the difference between sugar and carbohydrates. They often get lumped into the same category, but they do work differently. Sugar gives you a brief 30-minute spike of energy, and it doesn't actually affect insulin too much, and it won't put stress on your pancreas in the same way that something like rice, potatoes, pasta, bread, those kinds of things will. Okay? Those kinds of things, bread, pasta, etc., they will give you 12 to 24 hours of muscle glycogen, energy within the muscle, instead of the 30 minutes that you get when you consume sugar. Know the difference, because sugar is a great intra-workout, but if you're pounding sugar all day long and you're saying, oh yeah, I'm just hitting my carb target, you're probably not doing things right.